on the final round, Lakan ng Santa Rosa Dos, Joshua Luis San Pedro. The night is still yours because you are in Lambakin, Marlon Anthony Hermedia. The third spot is yours, Labanon, Prince Jun Quezon. Were called and 4 more to go. You secured the final round, Lakan ng Santa Rosa 1, John Maynard Mandanas. The fifth spot shines on you, Lias Giro Hiragan Villanueva. That round can be still yours, Lakan ng Ibayo, Rory Christian Abelia. And to complete our top 7, Abangan Sur, Aris Licaros Jr. Once again, congratulations sa ating top 7 finalists. At sa mga hindi pinalad ngayong gabi, mabuhay kayo. Ipagpatuloy ninyo ang pagiging inspirasyon sa kabataang Marileño. Call the top 7 for our Lakambinis. You are also in Lambakin, Maria Veronica Paula Guzarin. Your journey still continues. Lias Irish May Kaligayan. The third spot shines on you, Poblacion Dos, Arya Nicole Amemero. Three beautiful ladies were called, 4 more to go. You secured the 4th spot, Loma de Gato Proper, Ara Jamela Lucio. The 5th spot is already yours, Tabing Ilog, Gabriel Mori Reyes. Five beautiful ladies have answered the final round, and we still have 2 more support. And you are still part of the final round. Prensa 1, Mary Ortega Reyes. One spot remains at iyong-iyo na. Prensa 2, Jasmine Claire Soria. Ladies and gentlemen, Municipality of Marilao, with pride and honor, our Lakan at Lakambini ng Marilao 2025 Sub 7 finalists. Once again, maraming salamat. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang top 7 finalists for this year's Lakan at Lakambini ng Marilao. At syempre po sa mga hindi tinawag, tanggapin ninyo ang aming pagsaludo sa inyong determinasyon upang ibandera ang inyong mga barangay sa Lakan at Lakambini ng Marilao.
Barcelona, come on.
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on the stage these very creative individuals who really took part for the success of this competition. Please welcome the Creative Guild of Marilao set of officers and advisors. Let's start with our business managers. Please be on stage, JJ Piñar and Beria Briones. Once again, we would like to call on the Creative Guild of Marilao set of officers. Muli po, ang aming taus-pusong pasasalamat para sa inyong suporta. Kasi up until now, kahit medyo na-delay tayo because of the rains, tutuloy at tutuloy po tayo dahil walang makakapigil sa kapangyarihan ng ating bayan ng Marilao. Especially in uplifting our municipality when it comes to tourism. Kaya naman, in behalf of the Creative Guild of Marilao, maraming salamat. Gayon din po sa aming chairman of this year's Lakan at Lakambini ng Marilao, Mr. Marlon Sutayco, Vice Chairman Mervin Prajanal, and Ms. Eric Del Rosario. Gayon din sa ating President, Chris Ontoy de la Cruz, Marilao Tourism Section Head, Mr. Ricky Manalo, and of course our Director, Mr. John Christopher de la Cruz.
Yeah, let's get it. Barcelona, come on.
Once again, let's call on stage the Creative Guild of Manila set of officers to start with business managers JJ Vinyar and Bea Briones. Next in line, we have Jean Concepcion and Onin Vinales. Our PRO, Mr. Joel De La Cruz.